Well, ain't this a sight? Newest purchase with its twin, which got towed recently. And of course, old reliable back there, the 08. This is an 06 Dodge Charger Civilian Edition. As you can hear, it's running and driving, the telltale valve tick. And the tires are shot. We have the one spare from the 08. That thing's just been reliable as all can be. But this one here has an interesting history, being owned by a military member. We're over at the auction site where there's a few more Chargers, 1, 2, and 3 at the end, another old police one. This one came from Washington State, Washington to Ohio, and Ohio to here. It was taken, towed away, and I found out why. Well, for one thing, when we first got this car, no gas in it. So after we had the key made, we had to get some gas in it, of course. So my friend had a small gas tank, didn't do shit. This thing was so empty. So I had to come back in with oh sorry, it's in the 08, but with the big 5-gallon gas tank. This thing was would not run at first. That's because no fuel. Took care of that. Let's work on that later. And of course we have to do a new windshield on it. It snowed here in Virginia recently, so it's fucking cold. This thing is interesting for a few reasons. The first one being the tires that came on it. So of course we have this weird piece of shit one, and underneath we have the factory original. Here's my jump box and my tools back here. Now this thing is a also has a donut, but that thing is so shot, it's just not even worth having. So I have another spare inside the Charger. But she's running and driving like a king right now. Same engine. Molding is a little popping up here. Had a lot of the guys shitting here, including him, his wife, and his friends' social security numbers. But so far she's coming together real nicely. She smells a little bit, but to be expected. Good thing about having no gas in it, though. You don't have to worry about anything else. I did buy a new fuel pump because I thought it would be shot. So we have one window working, 2 working, 3 working, 4 working. We have the meh dash, which I'll have to work on later. Try and modify this to fit a double din. 132 miles. I thought 132k miles. Week. Huh. All the lights here work. No check engine lights. Again, shocker. And the key right here we had to have made. 110 bucks. Wonderful on that one. Me and my friend who will be on this with me are deciding which shift handle to go with. I like wood. Giggity. But she moves on her own power. Carfax showed it was good. No idea what that little bastard there is. She works so well though. Brakes are a little weak, but now I had the wheels off, we can tell that already. Get the tires in the back bumping around, locking and jabbing. And reverse. Nice and strong. How about the mirrors? Basics, but hell. And of course, it has electric seats. On one side at least. Maybe I'll do a modification on that one next. Let's see, if the light burned out in this one, I'll have to replace that, so. That's never a fun thing to do. Yeah, so far though, this thing is just doing so well. I haven't done anything to this thing other than, oh, of course. Oh, never mind. I have done something major to this car. So I first got it, even though we had it running after I fixed it, it would not shift out of park. And that's why. This is the shift linkage mechanism, if you couldn't tell. So, there's a little piece of plastic right here, and one end of it, this is going to be a spring. This one, the spring broke off on it. So, I don't know if it was the plastic at first or the spring itself. So I said, fuck it. Went to the junkyard, ripped out this unit. And I'm quite happy with that. That's all I gotta do with this car. That's a win in my book. I have a friend who's looking for a charger, but he wants a police charger. Yeah, he wants the police charger. No, that's my wife's. Although I can't drive it a lot as well. There. Just look at this car, though. I'm gonna roll down the window because history repeats itself with me. I don't want to see myself get locked out. Yeah, look at this thing. Nice rims, the headlights work, markers work, brown lights work. This tire is shitty, but holding air. It's all I need to hold it for a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Taillights, we have all 4 bulbs. Again, shocker. Because every time you see these Chargers, they have a burnt out taillight. Unfortunately, I have to replace the 3rd brake light because it is broken inside there. You can see how it's not flush, like the 08 right there. Also, different location of the badge. I think I like mine better. But yeah, this thing is coming together real nicely. Dirty socks. This thing was so full of laundry, though. I mean, holy shit. Now it's so clean. The entire there's 2 of these totes, by the way. 2 of them. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for right now. I'll do an update on this thing once we get it back home. I can clean up a little bit more and get some oil in this thing. This thing is old oil. This thing's been sitting for a little while. Towed by Chesapeake PD. Poor girl. Definitely got to get a new windshield in her. That's be the next thing. But yeah, that's where we're at. Another great oh yeah, the price of this car. That's the real funny thing. The price of this car, only $540. Paid $110 for the key, and about $10 in gas so far. Oh, and shifter, which was $20. Spare tire, well, donut, $20. Yeah. I am going to replace this one, though. I definitely hate the factory radio in this car. Any more cities than you? Ooh, that's loud. Goddamn. Just manual mirrors. But yeah, that's all for today. For this video, for right now at least. Definitely gotta figure out how to lock this guy down there. There's the left side. It's weird though, the dash is completely different. Like, what the why? Why would you make 2 different dashes for the same body style and have them keep going up? It's so fucking weird. What the hold you? Oh, there's clips. I didn't know that. Okay. Well, whatever. You know what? Screw it. Let's put the wood one on for now. Yeah. Put the wheel locker. Come on. Okay. You don't want to do shit with me, do you? Come on. Damn it. Alright, fuck it. Oh, we're on neutral, that's right. Yeah, that's the end of this video, though. Thank you so much for watching. Just enjoy that sunset in the background.